Hello everyone. This video is to have an overview of safe backlog items which must be understood well as what goes into the backlogs or repositories at different levels. My name is Vinod Sinha and I'm based in beautiful Seattle with 20 plus years of IT experience managing people, programs and products. I intend to publish more videos on safe topics, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Safe has 5 items in the backlogs and 1 associated with backlogs. Epic at the portfolio level, capability at the large solution level, feature at the program level, and user story at the agile team level. The 5th item, enabler, is present in all backlogs. And non-functional requirements are associated with backlogs at all levels. So I want you to take away 2 key messages. First, unless you are implementing large solution, an epic gets broken into features and a feature gets broken into user stories. If an epic does get broken into capabilities, then a capability must be broken into features. Second point, nothing gets done if it is not in the team backlog. So if an epic has not cascaded down to the team backlog, it will not get done. Now, large solution means implementing world's largest and complex applications network or cyberspace system. Example can be implementing 5G network nationwide. Now, an epic is a significant solution requiring substantial investment. It must have minimum viable product features and benefit hypothesis outlined. On the left-hand side, you see strategic themes. These are differentiating business objectives for an organization, such as increase online user presence, introduce new product line, digital transformation across the organization. Therefore, when an executive as an epic owner comes up with portfolio vision, the vision must be aligned with a strategic themes and supported by a lean business case. Lean business case consists all the elements of an epic and more. Now, lean portfolio management reviews the business case and approves in the go-no-go meeting. Once an epic is approved, the epic owner works with the solution and product management teams to break an epic into capabilities and features as applicable. On the left-hand side is the template for outlining epic hypothesis. Because an epic is a significant solution, the full benefit may not be realized immediately. Therefore, leading indicators are present which can predict if the epic is going to provide the value it promised or a change is needed. On the right-hand side is the lean business case template where minimum viable product features are outlined so that time to market can be shortened without waiting for all the features to be delivered. Also, the actual product can be validated by real customer early on. If an organization is implementing a large solution, then an epic can be broken into capabilities. A capability must have benefit hypothesis and acceptance criteria. Benefit hypothesis must be measured and validated after the capability has been delivered. Acceptance criteria must be met to confirm if the implementation is correct. While sizing the capability, it must be sized to fit in one program increment, which is 8 to 12 weeks of time frame, but may require multiple agile release trains. An agile release train is the team of agile teams that deliver features and dependencies as per the program increment objectives. A feature is the service that meets customers' requirements. It fulfills the stakeholders' need. Now, similar to capability, it must have benefit hypothesis and acceptance criteria. The key difference here is that a feature must be sized to fit in one program increment and must be delivered by a single agile release train. A feature is further decomposed into user stories in the team backlog. A user story is a small piece of functionality stated in user's voice form as highlighted here in yellow color. And it must have acceptance criteria. When a user story is delivered, It adds incremental value to the solution. While estimating a user story, Scrum Master and product owner, they do participate, but it is the team members from the Agile team who estimate user stories. The size of a user story is estimated using Fibonacci sequence instead of using time in terms of hours or days. Usually, a baseline is established by finding a small story. For example, if a story would take half a day to develop and half a day to test and validate, you call it one, and then estimate every other story relative to that one. SAFe also recommends adopting behavior-driven development where acceptance criteria and acceptance tests are written in the given, when, then format, which encourages test-driven development, that is, developing while keeping the test scenarios in mind. So we have seen all the team backlogs item except enablers. So now we are going to focus on enablers. Enablers are activities to support future business functionality. They are needed to extend the architectural runway. They are present in backlogs at all levels, as mentioned earlier, from portfolio backlog to team backlog. An enabler can be exploratory. When requirements are not clear, then you perform research activities or you develop prototypes. It can be architectural, which allows you smoother and faster development. It can be infrastructure related to build or enhance different environments to support continuous delivery pipeline, such as building CI/CD pipeline for code promotion from one environment to another. It can be compliance related, such as establishing release management policies to deliver high quality solution. Many enablers, once implemented, become the non-functional requirements as shown at the bottom left of the screen. Non-functional requirements or NFRs are attributes such as security, reliability, performance, maintainability, scalability, and usability. They act as constraints and they must be implemented, otherwise the solution will be compromised or will cause issues in the long run. For example, if the transaction volume is to grow twice every year, then the solution must be scalable to support the growth for foreseeable future. Similarly, if the single sign-on is the requirement, then developers must abide by these requirements. Therefore, NFRs cannot be avoided. Also, NFRs are not part of the backlog, so they do not get estimated, but while estimating the backlog items, they are being considered and they are associated with the backlogs at all levels. Now, one key concept is prioritizing these backlog items using weighted shortest job first model, or you can call it WSJF. For any backlog item, WSJF is the cost of delay, COD, divided by job size. All elements in the formula are estimated using Fibonacci sequence, meaning first assign 1 to the smallest unit or item, and then assign relative values to others such as 2, 3, 5, 8, etc. As you can see here, cost of delay is calculated by adding user business value, time criticality, and risk reduction and/or opportunity enablement. User business value is what value a customer or business gives to the solution in relative terms. Time criticality is the value that would decay by time for a customer or business. Risk reduction and/or opportunity enablement is the risk that would be reduced or business opportunity that would be enabled by delivering the solution. Once the WSJF is calculated, the item with the highest WSJF value will get the highest priority in the backlog. It is important that prioritization of backlogs must be done continuously. Here you can get the complete overview of portfolio, solution, program, and team backlogs and how they are interconnected. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video. Please feel free to contact me if you have any question. Be agile and stay safe.